Hi, everyone. This is my module one work. I chose to build a mobile app for task management. It's meant to be simple. And here I am to just demonstrate how it works and how I got to achieve um, results. So I first of all run this is an Expo app, by the way. So I'm going to first of all run it on iOS. And I think the thing is I can even run it on, yeah, I can run it on both of them. So it will just use a different port, Android. Okay. So let's wait for Android to kick up. And this is my README file. Let me go ahead with this first. It has the auto-generated README from Expo when you install Expo. And I just included some of the things we are asked to include from our week one work. So I'm going to begin from this screen. When the app loads, there's this splash screen, but I didn't have to touch this one. So when that's a default, that splash screen is the default. So when the app loads, oh, by the way, this error is for the export push notification that I used. So this is not a physical device, so it's gonna yell at me when I'm on Android simulator. Okay, so I have authentication set up, but it's just working with local storage and nothing much. So I have this hard-coded username and password. So user and pass. So I can just log in and there you go. So these are all of the some of the tasks I've added. And on this is the same user but different device because we are using this Expo Async storage. It has to be less small letter U and the password. Oh, sorry, password is pass login. So you see, same user but different devices, and we have different tasks. And for the notification I mentioned, so on when I want to create a new task, let's say for today, save task, um, um, I get this UI, and for this, I can just say a new task 2. Then I just click on save task. Okay. Let me add another one and then change the date. New task and change date. I say 30th. Then I save task. Same thing with this. Anyway, same thing with this. Okay. So and then when I log out, it logs me out, and I cannot log in with any other user. Let's say user pass. Okay, invalid. So it has to be this one. And I can come here and say, okay, I've completed this task, which gives me a great job. You've completed task A. This is the Expo Go. This is Expo notifications though. So I get notified. And even when I pull it back up, I get the notification that I reopened the task. So I would just say I'm done for today, done this here, get notification on iOS as well. Okay, so now I'll explain the code involved. Again, this is I guess I should just close this. This is the login screen. This is the screen. This is the login screen. And of course, they're going to have different layout on the both operating systems, which is annoying, by the way, but yeah, I mean, there are ways to bypass this or find a way to fix this, but I don't think that that's in the scope of what I'm trying to do. Okay, so I use the button login, and I have a function, handle login function. And this takes in user and the pass. I can use anything here, but I just hard coded it. And then there's I use a router replace to navigate to the screen. This screen has been defined here in the layout. We have stack screen that will be defined in the layout already. Okay, I set username, just the regular JavaScript stuff, but this TypeScript anyway. Well, and I get to the task list where I've added comments as per the assignment instructions, and all these stuff from React Native have been used, and then async storage, which we use to store all those tasks in local storage for web browsers. Okay, so we load task, if I should follow in tasks, save task, toggle task, which pulls up the notification and that we just saw. Okay, and then we have this basic use effect here that when you're opening the app for the first time, it asks you to permit the application that you'll be able to receive notifications. Okay, and then yeah, I mean that's basically the main stuff. All of these are like basic stuff, and we have this style sheet for styling. This is for task list. Okay, so let me just log in once again. Pass. Okay, for this, and then we have the add task screen, which is here. Add task screen. I had issues with day picker, but I found a way to make it work where I can use a platform provided by React Native for me to select which platform I am currently working with and platform OS, which operating system I'm working with, and they display it in a certain way because Android had issues with how it should display. Okay. And so here we just change dates and there you go. Or for iOS, it's kind of different. Okay. You see, like this. Okay. So that's it. You add a new task. I can cancel to go back. And the logout function, which is obvious. Oh yeah, that's on the task list. Yeah. Logout. Yeah, so the logout function to log me out and then replaces the screen with the index screen. So this is my project for module 1. I will see you in module 2. Thank you.